Every spring and summer, we have a problem with ants getting into the dog food. We looked at several different ant-proof products, but they were either too small, too hard to clean, or too expensive. So we made our own extra large ant-proof tray. It only cost us $20 and took less than 20 minutes. We bought these 12 by 17 baking pans from Target for $5 each. These are perfect because they're shallow and non-stick, so they're easy to clean. Then we went to Home Depot and picked up 4 stainless steel screws or bolts, 4 stainless steel washers, 4 stainless steel nuts, and 4 clear bumper pads. We used stainless steel to make sure nothing rusts. You'll see some extra hardware here, but the items I mentioned are the only ones we used. When drilling the holes for the bolts, you don't want the bolts too close to the edges of the pan. Otherwise, the ants will be able to step right onto the bolts and climb up to the top tray. We measured in about 2 inches. Insert the bolts through the top of the tray and add a washer and nut on the bottom.
Was I supposed to?
We wanted the upper tray to sit about 1.5 inches above the lower tray, so we cut off the bolts. And the final step is to add the rubber pads. Shorter, but I think this will do. Now add water about 1/3 or halfway up the lower tray. We check the lower tray every month or so and add water if needed.